were cracks along the ceiling where the cold would find its way. Some nights the table sat there with not much on the plate. Little hands would fold together before we'd close our eyes. Mom would whisper to the quiet something like a lullaby. Lord, we don't have much to offer, but we're offering what we've got. Keep our children in your keeping. Let them know they're still beloved. And there was a light inside our eyes that the hunger couldn't dim, a light that floated up from Mama's prayers and settled somewhere in. It wasn't perfect, Lord, it wasn't easy, but it never died. There was a light, there was a light. What Mama lit, it's still in me. I remember Papa standing in the doorway late one fall, boots worn through at both the soles, his back against the wall. He just lifted both his hands up, didn't say a single word, but that silence was a language, and I know that it was heard. 'Cause something shifted in the morning, like the air had changed its mind, like a hand had reached between us and was pulling us from behind. Of the things we couldn't feel, it wasn't golden, it wasn't easy, but it burned, Lord, how it burned. There was a light, there was a light. What Mama lit, it's still in me. Like mine, and I catch myself at the edge of things, whispering the same old line. Maybe faith is not inheritance, maybe it's the choice you make at midnight on your knees. But I know the prayer that built me, and I know it still believes. Something stays when the cold moves through, something old you did not have to earn or prove. If you've got a little left you haven't spent, raise it up, that's enough. That's what it meant. Not a blaze, not a promised land, just your people in your open hand. What we lit, your candle, love. Come and stand with me. It never went to sleep. Never went to sleep. It never went to sleep. What we lit, Lord, it's still alive.